guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, where I'm gonna give you a tour to my dorm room. So I go to Yonsei University in South Korea, and this is the Yonsei University International Campus single room. In my first semester, I stayed in a double room with a roommate, and I had a very bad experience, and since then I had this thing that I will do anything but stay in the dorms. Like, I was so anti living in dorms, like, you have no idea. I was just like, I will not. After that, I stayed in an apartment for the longest time. I changed 2 houses. I stayed in an apartment for 2 years of my college with my dog, but then I felt like I need to get rid of this fear of the dormitory. And I think the problem was more about the roommate than the dormitory as well. And it is much more financially smarter to stay in a dorm room, because apartments in Korea are super expensive. You have to give a huge deposit, you have to pay a huge rent. To give you an idea, this entire dorm room costed me like 4 months of, no, actually like less than 4 months of my rent, and that is excluding electricity and water bill and like maintenance bill and everything. You don't have to pay any of that here, and I think that's such a steal and so much more financially smarter. Like, I could spend all that money that I was wasting in an apartment into better things. I got the single room and I was surprised, I was shocked. I did not expect it to be so spacious, so much storage, and I'm about to give you a tour and you're gonna see it yourself. But this single room is literally like just like the apartment that I was living in, like minus the area of the kitchen. It is like that, and it has more storage actually. I'll like give you a little tour. Also, for my apartment, I also had to buy all the furniture because they were not furnished. But here, like, everything, they give you all the furniture, so that's also like a very good thing, because when you're moving out and you have to sell all that furniture, it's such a headache. And if you don't sell it, you have to tow it yourself. That means you have to carry it yourself, and yeah. Anyways, let's get into the tour of the room, and I will one by one show you every bit of it. And I'll also show you my floor and our community room, like what you get when you come to the Yonsei. So at the entrance, that is a sensor light, because I came here, it turned on. This is the entrance, and this is the space to keep your shoes. And over here we have our shoe closets. I will show you. I have my shoes in here, and it's a very huge closet. I mean, they have bigger spaces so you can keep your boots, and the smaller places you can keep your sneakers and flats. And yeah, I think you a wider angle to see it properly. Then besides this shoe cabinet, we also have another one for like other things you can keep here. I think that is for your umbrellas in the rainy season. There's also a little drawer in the end. To lock the door, we can use this, but the door only opens if you have the card to like tap it. This is what the entrance kind of looks like. And as soon as we enter, we get the washroom here. So here's the toilet, and then we have the cabinet where you can keep bathroom related like things here. I just moved in like 4 days ago, so I have not filled all of these things. I'm trying to also be minimalistic and not buy things since I have to leave this. There is a mirror where I'll be taking mirror selfies. Anyways, and then we have the basin. It's like sufficient, and then you have this place to hang your towel. They also conveniently give a plug next to the basin, I think, in case you need to like straighten your hair and stuff. I think it's very handy. As you come out of the toilet and you go, here is the shower room. This is the shower room, and again there is a mirror, and there is the shower head. The flooring is like this, and here we have another cabinet where I have my shampoo and body wash and everything. We got another storage space and a place to hang. The wide angle of the whole room. Okay, now I'm gonna show you one by one. So this is the closet space that you get, and it is pretty big, like, you know, like all my jackets and everything fit there. And then you get these 2 drawers as well. They're all filled with clothes. Okay, so this is the closet you get. This is the vanity you get. I have already decorated my vanity. This is like my little makeup dustbin, and those 3 here. And then these are just like base products and lip products and my brushes. And I put this really cute mirror here because I wanted to put my rings. And then all the earrings and bracelets are here. Yeah. And then over here I put a coaster, and that's my tea. And here is just like more makeup and my Dyson and hair related stuff. And yeah, just 2 more drawers, the same amount of space. Moving here, you get a lot of storage. For this part, I put all like the food and yeah, eating related stuff. And then also you get drawers with a lot of space. I put some disposable things because I'm lazy and don't want to do dishes. And some snacks I got from India, bread and stuff. Then on this one is like my bags. I put my bags here, and my college bag and just other bags, and my perfumes. Recently got this one, and it's so fresh and nice for the spring summer season. And yeah, and this one's like also a recent perfume I got from Hermes, really nice. Anyways, then I also put all my glasses here because I kind of always keep losing my glasses if they're not in sight, so this is very convenient. And over here I've made this like my laundry place, so this is like my laundry bag, but there's not much in it yet. Now comes to my study. This is the study that they give you. It's the same space as the above one. Above one you can keep your important things and put a lock on it. And then this is a bigger one too. I think I would use this to keep like paperwork or like a lot of papers and books or something. Here I put some family pictures. I also have a picture of my mom like over there, but I didn't show you that. Then you get these. I just put like wires and stuff here. Then on the table, this is my cute planner. I'll show you inside my planner. So it's like cute minimalistic pictures, and you can basically plan your day-to-day stuff, and you can also plan your monthly. Like I planned my month here, month of March, and then you can plan day-to-day. And then they're like, I just love the illustrations in the middle. They're really like aesthetic. For size sheets, I have more in that because I like to write on them while studying. My Mac and iPad and headphones, basic stuff, and then water and my pens. I put some of my pens in my bag because I went to college just now. But I love these Moji pens. This is I think this is the 0.5 one, but my favorite are the 0.38 ones. But they only have pink and 0.5, so I got that. I cannot write without Mochi pens. They are like the best chef kiss. Space you get to keep all of your books, and I've only kept 2 because I'm gonna get the rest of my books soon, and then I think this would be kind of filled, but yeah. Now let's come to the bed, which is right next to the study, and this is the chair you get, by the way. In case you're curious, this is the chair you get. Not the most comfortable chair. I used to have a gaming chair before, so obviously, but can do with it. It's comfortable enough, like. And then this is the bed. I got this really cute Hello Kitty comforter because I'm such a Hello Kitty enthusiast. And then I put like white bedding, and that's my little plushie. Krishna. Kind of giving you a little zoomed in look. Look at that cute Krishna's plushie I got from Brindavan. He's like literally like wake up and see her and like lights up my day. So cute. Gonna show you the view now. I think the view is pretty nice, especially in the night. Like all those buildings, they light up and then it looks really pretty. So it's very positive. Like as soon as I wake up, I put the blinds up and the sunlight comes directly in. So that's really nice and positive. Also kept my suitcases above there. You also have this space that I kept my other suitcases, tripod, and the trash can. The trash can and the suitcases are here, and you get plugs. You have plugs everywhere, by the way. You have plugs here. You have plugs here. You have plugs there, plugs there. Good amount of plugs. Alright, so that's it for the room tour. Now I'm gonna show you our community room on the floor that you will also have in case you're planning to move to the Yonsei dorms. Then I guess you would want to know what the community room has. It's like the common space for the whole floor, where you can go and they have a refrigerator and a microwave. Well, we'll go and see. And you go throw your trash there as well. This is where you put your cards for the entire electricity to light up. The floor looks like this. You cannot make a lot of noise here because people live here. So, and then this is the water dispenser. And this is the community room. View from the community room. These are all dormitories. That's the TV, and then you get those two refrigerators where everyone can put their stuff. You get hot and cold water from here. Then you have those two microwaves. That's it. So that's it for today's video, and I hope this is helpful to anyone who wants to move into the Yonsei dormitory. I would totally recommend moving into the dorms more than getting your own apartment in Seoul if you're a student and a bit lazy and don't want to do all the work. That's it for today, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye, and see you on the next video on my channel.